1. Introduction to procedural generation. Procedural generation is a technique used in video games to create content dynamically through algorithms rather than manually. It enables the generation of environments, levels, characters, and more, offering players unique and unpredictable experiences in each playthrough. 2. How procedural generation works. This technique relies on mathematical algorithms and random number generators. Developers define parameters and the system creates content within those boundaries. For example, a procedural terrain generator might use rules for land, water, and vegetation placement. 3. Benefits of procedural generation. Procedural generation reduces development time for expansive worlds and increases replayability. Games like Minecraft and No Man's Sky utilize this method to create massive, ever-changing environments, ensuring no two sessions are alike. 4. Types of procedural content. Developers use procedural generation for various elements, including terrains, dungeons, NPCs, and even music. Roguelike games, for instance, often feature procedurally generated levels to challenge players with fresh layouts each run. 5. Algorithms behind procedural generation. Common algorithms include Perlin noise for realistic textures and terrains, and L systems for generating branching structures like trees. These methods provide the foundation for creating organic and visually appealing game content. 6. Procedural generation in storytelling. Some games incorporate procedural generation into narratives. Titles like AI Dungeon use AI to generate dynamic storylines, adapting to player choices and creating personalized adventures that evolve unpredictably. 7. Challenges of procedural generation. While versatile, procedural generation has limitations. Without careful parameter design, generated content can feel repetitive or lack coherence. Balancing randomness with meaningful structure is a constant challenge for developers. 8. Examples of procedural games. Games like Spelunky and Hades showcase procedural generation in action, with randomized dungeons that still follow logical layouts. Open-world games like Elite Dangerous use this technique for galaxy creation. 9. Impact on player experience. Procedural generation enhances player engagement by offering endless possibilities. It keeps games fresh and exciting, as players explore unpredictable content while still encountering recognizable patterns for familiarity. 10. Future of procedural generation. As technology advances, procedural generation is set to become more sophisticated. With the integration of AI and machine learning, future games could generate even more complex and immersive worlds, pushing the boundaries of creative design.